In this video, we'll learn how to message students through Navigate. Depending on permissions, some users may have the ability to message students via email and/or text. Text messaging can be an effective way of communicating with students. However, careful consideration must be given as to when and for what purposes texting will be most effective, in order to not diminish its effectiveness. It is also important to remember, do not send FERPA-protected information via text. Once you have logged into Navigate, you will find yourself on the Staff homepage. Click the drop-down arrow beside Staff Home and switch to the Professor Home view. From this page, you'll be able to select students who are listed under Students in My Courses or under Assigned Students. For this video, we will be selecting students to send a text message to in the Students in My Courses list. Once your students are selected, click the Actions drop-down menu and select Send Message. A message box will open, which also indicates the number of students who will receive your message towards the top of the box. Here you have the option to send your message through email or through text. If you are sending your message as an email, you have the option to include a subject and a body of text in your message. For this video, we'll be choosing to send a text. If you are sending your message as a text, you will be limited to 160 characters total. Once your message is composed, click the Send Message button to send it. It's important to note that even in a group message, all messages are sent individually rather than as a group text, so students will not see each other's email addresses, phone numbers, or responses if they reply. Additionally, if a student has not opted to receive text messages, your message will be converted into an email and be sent to their Forsyth Tech student email. If a student replies to the text message, it may be routed to the instructor's Forsyth Tech email, depending on how their preferences are set up in Navigate.